Introducing the Lightstorm 600D, giving more power to more people. Borrowing from its professional predecessor, the LS600D Pro, the new LS600D cuts right to the chase. The same intensity you know and love, packed into a slimmer control box. We distilled the unit down to its core, still giving you 8,500 lux at 3 meters and 29,300 lux with the F10 Fresnel. This doubles the output of the LS300D2 and puts the unit in the same class as a 1200 watt HMI and Joker 800. Drawing only a max of 720 watts of power, the LS600D allows you to plug multiple fixtures into the same household circuit, while giving you seamless dimming control and the same high color marks, with CRI and TLCI scores over 96, and a D56 SSI of 72. The LS600D maintains a sturdy ballast with only the essentials: onboard control, 2.4G remote compatibility, 5-pin DMX, and app control via Sidus Link. Weighing 5 pounds less than its Pro counterpart, the new lightweight form factor lets it live comfortably on any stand or rig you already have. The control unit can dim in 1% increments and includes 8 of our classic built-in lighting effects, like strobe and faulty bulb. And unlike traditional units, you can plug in V or gold mount batteries to take the daylight wherever you go, whether you have 2 batteries, a battery power station, or a block battery. And of course, we didn't forget what makes it an Aputure Lightstorm fixture: our signature light shaping ability. With the universal Bowens mount, you can modify your LS600D with classics like the F10 Fresnel, Spotlight mount, Light Dome 2, and Lantern 90. Combining punch and finesse, the range of light quality suits any artist in any environment. We designed the LS600D for those who are looking for more power, more options, more scope, because we believe that storytelling isn't just limited to the pros. It's for those who are willing to go the distance, to find creative solutions, and see things on another wavelength.
Hi, I'm Barry Garcia with Nanlite, and today we're going to take a deeper look at the LumiPad 25 and 11. The LumiPad 11 and 25 actually give you an edge-lit fixture. Now, what is an edge-lit fixture? An edge-lit fixture gives the ability of LEDs around the outer edge, illuminating the plastic that's inside and casting a very, very soft light. So even though the LumiPad is a soft light fixture, it is very bright for what you have. Whether you're using the 11 or the 25, this light will give you what you're looking for with that soft wrapping light. So the LumiPads come in two different sizes. There's an 11 and a 25. The 11 is a 6.5 inch and the 25 is a 13 inch. Besides being really soft, is that you have an adjustable color temperature. You can go from 3200 degrees Kelvin up to 5600 degrees Kelvin and everything in between. But then you can also have a high CRI on these lights. Again, Nanlite uses all lights that are 95 plus CRI, but typically something like this would be about a 96, 97, and then your TLCI would be in the 96, 97 range as well. So on the back of the fixture itself, you have a very simple on-off switch that allows you to turn the light on, as well as the mounting. Now for the mounting on the small guy, you have a cold shoe mount that will actually fit on top of the camera, or you have a quarter 20 receiver on the bottom of that that allows you to be able to screw it down to a stand if you want to, or any type of quarter 20 mount. On the larger fixture, you actually can take any stand that you have, and then you can use that standard 5/8 pin to be able to put it wherever you need the light. So the LumiPad can be used in a lot of situations. You can use it for interviews, you can do it as a key light, a fill light, or a backlight. You can put the small one on camera and have that be your front-facing light for a nice flat soft light. You can also use it as a background light if you want to light something specific or just bring up the ambient. So the LumiPad can be used either with AC power or the L series battery, which is the most common on the market. This makes this a very versatile light. Thanks for watching.